Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, safe, and at home. Now, children, Christmas is coming, and one of the most important Christmas decoration, is crib making. Now, I know many of you all don't know what is crib making because crib making competition was there, and when I asked the students to take part, many were clueless. Many of you all didn't know what is crib making. See, it was not that I wouldn't have helped. Of course, I would have helped you. Of course, I would have told you everything. But then children did not show much of interest in that. Why? Because of lack of knowledge. That is why I thought of coming up with this video of crib making. Now, you don't have to make any crib, okay? You don't have to make any crib, but you need to understand what is crib making. It is one of the important Christmas decoration, and all the Catholic people, they usually make crib during the Christmas festival. Okay, so you need to know what it is. Okay, many of y'all didn't know, and I felt very sad. So I thought, let's make one video on crib making. Now, children, listen this carefully. You don't have to make any crib. This video is specially for you to know and understand what it is, okay? Because lack of knowledge is not great. You should know, especially the basic things. If you're coming to a Catholic school, you all have seen a crib, because next to our church we have a big setup, big crib done, but you don't know what it is called. You don't know how it is done, what are the elements. Okay, so for that I've just brought a small video for you all to know and understand what is crib making in our today's video. All right, so this is Christmas crib making. Now this is the crib, what you can see in the picture down. Okay, now crib is like reflecting the story of Jesus Christ's birth. Now, Jesus Christ was born in the shade, okay, with animals around him, and with his parents around him, and few other people also. Now, let's see what is the crib first. Now, crib can be anything that is made with grass, wood. Crib is not a building made with cement, made with plaster, POP, or anything of that sort. Crib is anything that is resembling to a shade. That can be a cow shade, that can be a stable, whatever, but it has to be a shade, animal's house. Okay, so animals houses usually with grass, wood. So crib has to be made with wood, grass. Now you can use any kind of structure. It can be a house type, or here now down they have done with small little twigs, anything. You can put lights. Now this is all up your creativity. Okay, you need to get your game of creativity correctly on point, and you can put the lights and everything. But a basic crib has to be done with grass, hay, twigs, sticks, wood, all these things. Okay, no cement, no bricks, no POP, nothing of that sort. It's not, and it's nothing a very lavish thing. Okay, very basic animal shade. Then next important thing comes in the crib is the models. Now models are the small figurines, small what do you call, small human beings made of POP, or made of any kind of things. Now here usually they make it with POP, plaster of Paris, small models. Okay, that can be done with clay also. That totally depends. You get these in shops ready made. Now here the most important figures are these figures. You cannot put any XYZ figure in the crib. You have to have these figures. Now here is baby Jesus, then Mother Mary, then Joseph, then 3 kings, then 1 angel, and few animals. Okay, their animals were there when Jesus Christ was born, because Jesus Christ was born in the animal shade, in a crib. That is why the animals were there around him. So animals also have to be there. Now here in this picture you can clearly see Mother Mary sitting down near baby Jesus, then Joseph is standing behind Mother Mary. Then to the right hand side there are 3 kings with different kind of gifts. The kings had come and they had brought different kinds of gifts also. Then animals, and the person who's standing behind Mother Mary not in green, with red and blue. That was angel. The angel directed the kings. Nobody knew where is Jesus Christ. Nobody knew where Mother Mary was. So the angel showed the direction to the kings, and that's how the kings reached the crib. So the kings have to be there, and with some kind of gifts. Now these models, no, you get directly from the market. See the kings, and they have different gifts in their hands, different any gifts. Very important animals: Mother Mary, baby Jesus, and Joseph. Okay, so these figures have to be there. So first you make the crib, then you get the models, and then finally you place them. Now to give it more natural look, to make it more attractive, you can put real grass, leaves, then lights. Then that is totally up to your creativity and how you want to do it. Now children, when the people are making the crib at home, they make it on a smaller scale, small one. But you all have seen next to a church, they make such huge one. They set up the tables, and they're putting big models, and everything is there. Yes, so this is the final crib. Here also you can see the animals, three kings with their gifts: Mother Mary, Joseph, baby Jesus, and the angel with the wings. Can you see that? And the crib is totally done with sand, mud, sticks. So finally now you all know what is crib and what competition I was telling you all. Crib making competition was so easy, yeah. But then see, I did not like how you all showed disinterest. You all should, if you don't know anything, no, you should ask कैसे करने का है, how to do it, how teach, ask teacher, find out from internet, but gain knowledge. So now finally everybody know what is crib making. Okay, Christmas crib making. Now next time whenever this competition is there, I hope many of you all take interest and take part, because now you know what is crib making. All right, chalo then, for now this is it. Christmas is coming. Everyone enjoy yourself, be at home, be safe. You can go out now, of course, but then be safe. Wear your mask, sanitize yourself always, and have a happy Christmas and happy New Year, children. I hope 2021 is brings lot of light, positivity for all of us, for you, for me, and for everyone around us. Now we are going to meet only in the new year. All right, chalo then, have good time, enjoy your vacation, enjoy your Christmas, New Year, and keep praying. Let us all pray for a beautiful, positive year ahead. All right then, chalo, bye bye, take care.